that's what we just did here. Like, because last night he messaged me at like 11. What more times were I forgot? I like went to bed at 8:30. So I messaged him at like, I get up 6 o'clock. I'm not even out of bed yet. What else did you ask Luke? You asked Luke something. It's like, same idea, right? And he's like, oh, well, yeah, it would work. Like, oh, well, why you say so? Like, RooferGirl here today. My friend Samantha. She's gonna learn how to do videos where she acts like an idiot like me and does bad things instead of being a sweetheart. Right, John? Yeah. Gonna switch the image up. There's bad boys and girls at roofing. Big time! Back to normal. Behind the scenes with Big Time Productions. John's your security mark. Make sure he don't fall, John. He's a bodyguard. Don't be falling in love with him. He's mine. You're married. Having fun, John? Huh? Having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Just stole Samantha's phone, and I'm currently making videos on it, and we're doing a standing seam right now. She's just doing the transition piece, and I want to do some standing seam here. Big time. And yeah, we're having a good day so far, right, Big Bad John?
Yeah.
And how's it being married?
It's awesome.
I see you got her on a leash.
Yeah, gotta keep her close.
Oh, big time! Have a good hoos. Oh, it's starting off on itself. It wants to work so fast. Start on its own. I'm doing cherry. You know what? Stop because the sun goes down. We keep going. It's sunny somewhere. Not here though. All right, that's good enough for the day. What do you think, kids?
That's
Doing a
good.
lot today?
Yeah.